Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Ooh, if you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make my version of the TikTok baked feta pasta. I definitely put my own spin on it, so please don't come at me because it's not exactly the same, but it's so delicious and I really urge you to try it. I had the camera rolling literally from the moment I started prepping to the moment it went into the oven, and it was maybe like 8 minutes. So it doesn't take a long time. The most consuming thing is how long it bakes. It bakes for about 45 minutes. So I hope you guys give it a try and let me know what other combinations you've tried.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are. Say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Let's be honest for a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel